Good morning from the Long Island Marina. Beautiful place, lots of beautiful boats, and they've got some sharks. These guys are getting rid of some bait, and these sharks been hanging out here at the fish cleaning station, but they know the sound of a fish hitting the water. Well, these are reef sharks?
Yes, sir.
Reef shark. And they're sticking their heads out of the water. Some of them look like they're 7 foot long. There we go, there's a piece of bait in the water, and it didn't last long. Wow.
Well, he got you, Will.
A little gift.
Stop teasing me.
Wow, right out of the water to see that one.
No, we're heading out. All right, sir. What you do? Time to go, sir.
Okay, folks, I'm going to get out of here right now. These sharks will keep eating forever. So this is the Long Island Marina. It's pretty nice. Clarencetown. I'm going to go hit some beaches and continue the SpaceX Starship heat tile search adventure. So we'll come back with some interesting news later, I hope.